Hi, I'm Mike from Mad About the Rhythm. Okay, welcome to my introduction of the guitar. This is an acoustic guitar. Well, not really, it's an electro-acoustic guitar. What does that mean? An electro-acoustic guitar is an acoustic guitar which can be plugged in to a PA system by means of these inputs. Okay? Now, in a minute, I'm going to tell you everything about this guitar. If you like this video, you can put a like or subscribe to my channel at the end of this tutorial, right? So, first things first, the parts of the guitar. To tune a guitar, you have these, which are called machine heads or tuning keys, okay? We have the bridge. This is the bridge. This is the saddle. Okay. There are pegs that hold the strings down. Okay, so when you ask for pegs, these over here. Okay. This is the nut. The white bit you see over here is the nut. That's what helps the strings go towards the machine heads or tuning keys. Okay. You have the sound hole. Right, there are 6 strings here, okay? And they all have names. Each are called, if you play them without pressing over here, they're open notes. They're called open notes. And there's E, B, G, D, A, E. It starts from the bottom going upwards, okay? So that's string 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To remember this, I go, every boy gives daddy an elephant. So the first letter is the name of the string, okay? This is the neck of the guitar, the back of it, okay? And the front is called a fretboard. And the fretboard has lots of metal bars here called frets. Now you also have these little dots, they're called markers to help you find the chords easily, okay? These frets are used to create notes on the guitar. Look, I'm pressing different ones. Okay, to create different notes. A combination of notes make a chord. This is a chord. Okay, that is a chord. Now, there are different types of notes, starting from the alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F, G. 7 letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Those are all notes, okay? But in between these notes, there are other notes which are called sharps. And we'll have this sign over here as a sharp, okay? Now, all 7 notes have sharps apart from 2 notes. That is the B and the E. So it's A sharp, B has no sharp, C sharp, D sharp, E has no sharp, F sharp, G sharp, and then it goes again to A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G, again A. So you see it's like a rotation. The higher you go, the higher the pitch will be, okay? So, as we said, this is every boy gives daddy an elephant, okay? So this is an E. E has no sharp, so the first note here would be an F. And after F, there'll be an F sharp. After an F sharp, there's a G. And so on and so forth. Now, I have other tutorials for you, so I'm not going to go much into detail, okay? You can just add on to my playlist, check in my playlist in my channel, and you can go on from there. You'll also find some information that's repetitive. That's because they go hand in hand with other lessons, right? So you mainly use these 4 fingers to make a note, to hit a note, okay? These 4 fingers, you don't use the thumb, okay? Now, each fret hosts a finger, okay? So I like to, so wherever I can, if I'm using these four frets, I'm using these 4 fingers to keep them spaced out, okay? Now obviously, whilst with this hand you are pressing the notes, okay? With this hand you're either strumming or you're finger picking, okay? I personally prefer the strumming. It's more rock and roll, okay? I hope you enjoyed this short introduction, and I hope you will continue looking through my videos and learning from them. If you do like them, just click on like and subscribe to know what if new videos come on. I hope you enjoyed the video. My name is Mike from Mad About the Rhythm. Bye bye.